guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, it's actually gonna allow me to head to the Witherstorm Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Witherstorm Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Pocket Edition Witherstorm Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing, glorious, kind of scary, and terrifying dimension is inside this chest right here. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need 10 black wool. You're also going to need fur purple wool. And you're also going to need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably going to have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up. I'm also bringing along a puffer fish for reasons I cannot explain, guys. I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, and a pig, so hopefully they get blowed up before I get blowed up, and then hopefully they get ate, and the wither's just so happy by the taste of them that he just leaves me alone, guys. But let's go ahead and let's make this frame. When you make it, you want to put 2 purple wool on each side. Then you want to go ahead and put 2 black wool in the middle. Then you just want to jump on up, and you want to go ahead and put 3 black wool, and then 1 purple wool, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to look around, make sure that you don't see Herobrine anywhere, guys, because if you happen to see him, he will try to get the wither on his side, and he will try to get the wither to come down and kill you and eat you and just do a bunch of horrible stuff to you guys. But let's go ahead and finish building this frame. When you're building the other side, you just want to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3 black wool, 2 black wool in the middle, and then 1 purple wool on the side. And now you can go ahead and jump on down and take a look at your amazing, beautiful, epic frame. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and light this baby up, guys. I hope you're wearing your sunglasses, because boom, that is bright and that is gorgeous, guys. But let's go ahead and try to catch this pig on fire. Oh my god, I think he's too smart, guys. Oh, we actually caught him on fire. Look at him, he's running around. He's running around. Oh snap, oh snap. Oh, I thought for sure he was going to catch that other pig on fire, guys. That would have been pretty cool if he would have. But wow, he actually survived being on fire. Wow, we gotta just keep him alive if he's able to do that, guys. But let's go ahead and get into the mystery chest. And in the mystery chest we have TNT, we have redstone touches as well. Obviously, Santa Claus brought us this stuff so we can blow up the wither. We also have some eggs, and we have some cookies, and some milk. Not really for sure why we have all this stuff. Maybe so I can feed eggs and cookies and milk to the wither, although I don't think he overly deserves it. And wow, that pig actually survived catching on fire 2 times. Wow, that's amazing, guys, that he's able to survive like that. But let's go ahead and head on into this dimension. Oh my god, that cow tried to get into our way, but whoa, that loaded up quick. And wow, where are we, guys? What the heck is this? I don't see no wither. Let's go ahead and spawn our cow. Maybe our cow will be able to sniff out the wither. Where should we go? Where should we go, cow? Huh? Over there? Wow, he actually did lead us to the wither. There's a bunch of fire over there, guys. Let's go ahead and check this out. There's a chicken. Whoa, guys. I think I better eat an enchanted golden apple because I think it's about to get real. Oh my god, guys. Did you guys see that sky change? And for some reason, my TNT's changing too. It shows TNT and then it don't. And then it shows TNT and then it don't. Let's go and try to light it up and see what happens. Boom! It still blows up, but I don't know why it's glitching out like that, guys. Maybe it's just something to do with the dimension. But oh my god, for a minute I thought that tree was the wither, but it's not. Oh my god, right there he is. He got 3 heads, guys, and oh my god, he's coming first. Let me just go and put this TNT down. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Do you see how humongous he is? But we're going to try to take him out. We're going to try to take him out 1 eyeball at a time. Oh my god, guys. He keeps shooting us. Oh, what? And I always wondered, where does he shoot them little, like, TNT balls out of? Because, like, right now his back's turned and he's shooting them. So are they coming out of his butt? I'm not for sure, guys. But let me go ahead and shoot him in this freaky eyeball. Oh my god, he poisoned me. He has poisoned me, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I gotta try to hide and eat some enchanted golden apples. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Oh my god, he just blew me up again. You better back off me, bro, because I'm going to shoot you right in the butt. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think we actually shot him into some fire. Oh my god, I think we just shot him with a fire arrow too and caught him on fire. Whoa, oh my god, he's burning. But he's not burning anymore, guys. Oh, and he killed us. He killed us with one of his bombs. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. There was no chance of me surviving that, guys. He was just way too tough. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.